Hello guys, welcome to our video tutorial. My student Angel
Hi.
and I will going to have lesson number 94 for today. But before that, she have to say first our keywords. So what are our keywords?
Reading is fun.
Okay, reading is fun. Now since reading is fun, let's get started. Okay, for task number 1, word reading model. So this word is don't. Again, what is the word?
Don't.
Don't. Okay, now sound it out.
Don't.
Okay, and how do we say the word?
Don't.
Okay, remember that word. Now for our task number 2, we have word reading. Now, here is the word. The word is dream. Again, dream. Now sound it out.
Green.
Okay, what is the word?
Green.
Okay, green. Now for task number 3, we have word reading. Now, we have here letter name A and I. Now, the sound of letter A and letter I is and and E. Now, when these sounds are together, they usually say A. Again, what is the sound?
A.
A. Okay, now we have here words. Now you have to sound it out. The first word is tail. Again, what is the word?
Tail.
Tail. Again,
Tail.
tail. Okay, the next word we have pain. Again, what is the word?
Pain.
Okay, the next word we have is paint. Again, what is the word?
Paint.
Okay, now you have to read those words fast. We have tail. Again, what word do we have? Tail.
Tail.
Paint.
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 Okay, now for our next task, we will read a story. Now, the title of the story is The Pig That Liked to Hide. Again, what is the title of the story?
The pig that liked to hide.
Okay, there was a pig that was too big to hide.
There was a pig that was too big to hide.
That pig was looking for something big.
That pig was looking for something big.
The pig went to the lake.
The pig went to the lake.
No, the pig said.
No, the pig said.
A lake is big.
A lake is big.
But I cannot hide in back of a lake.
But I cannot hide in the back of a lake.
The pig went to a park.
The pig went to a park.
No, the pig said.
No, the pig said.
A park is big, but I cannot hide in back of a park.
A park is big, but I cannot hide in back of a park.
Then the pig went to a hill.
Then the pig went to a hill.
No, the pig said.
No, the pig said.
That hill is big, but if those little pigs go to the top of the hill, they will see me on the other side. That
hill is big, but if those little pigs go to the of the hill, they will see me on the other side.
An eagle said to the pig,
An eagle said to the pig,
You do not need a hill.
You don't need a hill.
You are a hill.
You are a hill.
Get some green paint and make every part of you green.
Get some green paint and make every part of you green.
Then you will look like a hill and you can hide.
Then you will look like a hill and you can hide.
So the pig got cans and cans of green paint.
So the pig got cans and cans of green paint.
The pig started painting.
The pig started painting.
Soon every part of that pig was green.
Soon every part of that pig was green.
The pig went back to the farm and sat down near the barn.
The pig went back to the farm and sat down near the barn.
I am hiding, the pig shouted.
I am hiding, the pig shouted.
Come and get me.
Come and get me.
The little pigs looked and looked.
The little pigs looked and looked.
But they did not find the big pig.
But they did not find the big pig.
A little pig said,
A little pig said,
I see a farm and I see a barn and I see a big green hill,
I see a farm and I see a barn and I see a big green hill.
but I do not see a fat pig.
But I do not see a fat pig.
Okay, now for our next task, we have here second reading. So we will read the story again, but this time with questions. Now, the title of the story again is The Pig That Liked to Hide. Again, the title of the story is
The pig that liked to hide.
Okay, there was a pig that was too big to hide. That pig was looking for something big. The pig went to the lake. No, the pig said. A lake is big, but I cannot hide in back of a lake. Now, my question is, why couldn't that pig hide in the back of a lake? Because,
There was
ah,
a lake is big, but I cannot hide in back of a lake.
okay, now, let's continue. The pig went to a park. No, the pig said, a park is big, but I cannot hide in back of a park. Now, why couldn't the pig hide in back of a park? Because he is too big. Okay, now let's continue. Then that pig went to a hill. No, the pig said, that hill is big, but if those little pigs go to the top of the hill, they will see me on the other side. Now, why didn't the pig like the hill for hiding? Because,
That hill is big. But if those little pigs go to the top of the hill, they will see me on the other side.
okay, let's continue. An eagle said to the pig, you do not need a hill. You are a hill. Get some green paint and make every part of you green. Then you will look like a hill and you can hide. Now for the fourth question, why will that pig be able to hide if she makes herself green? Because the pig is the hill. Okay, now let's continue. So the pig got cans and cans of green paint. The pig started painting. Soon every part of that pig was green. The pig went back to the farm and sat down near the barn. I am hiding, the pig shouted. Come and get me. The little pigs looked and looked, but they did not find the big pig. A little pig said, I see a farm and I see a barn and I see a big green hill, but I do not see a fat pig. Now, what things did the little pig see? The little pig see a
Farm, barn, big green hill.
okay. Now for our next task, we have here a picture. Now, I want you to look at the picture. Now touch the thing that the little pigs thought was a big green hill. So touch it. Okay, very good. Now, does that big pig look very happy? Yes, because he's not, the other pigs can, okay, cannot see him. Now, what are the little pigs trying to do? They're trying to look for the big pig. Now, what are the little pigs saying? They can see a barn, they can see a farm, but they cannot see a big, fat pig. Okay. Now, for our last task, you have to write letters. So, the first letter that you're going to write is letter X. What's the first letter?
X.
The sound of X is? Okay, the second letter you have to write is Q. Again, what is the letter?
Q.
The sound of letter Q is?
Quick.
Okay, now you have to write those two letters.
Economies.
Okay, now I think that's the end of our lesson for today. Did you learn something?
Yes.
Okay, I hope so. See you on another lesson.